Hi guys, Bleach here. Just a quick update of what's going on with it. It's 8/18, Saturday the 5th. My Toonami anime night. I got a Lay's potato chip video we're going to do. That'll be up tonight or tomorrow, but just want to say I got the ground wire hooked up to it. It's grounded to the frame, which is grounded to the solenoid. The solenoid does not need to be grounded to the frame because that's the ground wire, I believe. I mounted the solenoid right under there to a bolt that was already existing. It's held with one nut. I couldn't get my drill to drill through the frame. It wasn't very powerful enough. It probably would have worked, but I just don't want to sit there and I can be figuring out the wiring. It does have a wiring gremlin. It won't engage the starter. I messed up, and when I was running this plug through that hole right there, it ripped the wires out. So I got Jeff's diagram there. I'm going to try and follow and get the wires back right. I can hear the clicking of the solenoid, so that's a good sign. The fuel solenoid. So I might have to jump where the safety are, like the clutch pedal safety. If I remember right, I had to step on the pedal of the Craftsman, which you can't really see, to start the engine. So I'll probably have to jump that with a wire, and maybe the other safeties, I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. But I need to take a break for this. I'm going to catch up on my anime I need to watch, like Dragon Ball Super and some other things I started to watch months ago but never finished. I'm going to come back to this in a couple weeks. I'm not really getting enough sleep, and I really like working on this stuff, and it's keeping me up at night, guys. So I just need to rest, take it easy. In a week or two I'll come back to this, and stay tuned for the potato chip video. Please comment and subscribe. I'll figure out this wiring genie, and in the next video you see this thing. It may be romping around and driving if I'm lucky. I'll try to do it without help, but maybe you guys can give me some tips that see this video if you got some time for me. Thanks, guys.